Hey everyone, let's talk about money. Americans are taking out personal loans like crazy right now. Almost 40% of us have one, way up from a few years ago. The average loan is nearly $20,000. Why? Life's just getting more expensive, and these loans are easier to get than ever before. So, what are people using these loans for? Big purchases and unexpected emergencies are at the top of the list. Many use them to pay off other debts or get those home repairs done. Even things like vacations, medical bills, and school costs make the list. Now, about the cost. Rates can be anywhere from 6% to over 30%, depending on your credit score. But they're often cheaper than credit cards, which average almost 20% interest. And if you need cash fast for something like a leaky roof, they're way quicker than a home equity loan. They can be a lifeline for emergencies or to combine high-interest credit card debt. The experts say, if you get one, you need a solid plan to pay it back. Don't borrow more than you can afford. If your credit isn't great, you could be looking at really high interest rates, sometimes over 30%. Always check for better deals, like a zero-interest balance transfer card. If you can get one, you can't beat 0%.